Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add a custom color theme to the Start menu on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings listed right above app. Go ahead and open that up and select personalization on the left side. Over on the right, go down to colors and go ahead and left click on that. And on this page, underneath accent color, you might have to scroll down, accent color, click and set the drop down here and make it set to manual. And then at this point, you can select a custom color from this list. So let's say I wanted to set it to purple. They call it orchard in this context, but if we go ahead and open up the search menu, you can see now it has that orchard or purple pink, I guess it's pink, accent theme. And if you open up the start menu, you'll see it again over here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.